Hey, if you run an e-commerce site, you already know this feeling. You're pushing a seasonal sale live, or updating a checkout flow, or rolling out a new discount code. And somewhere in the back of your mind, you're wondering what's going to break. A login that fails on mobile, a voucher code that doesn't apply, a basket that empties itself halfway through checkout. The pace of change is relentless, and the cost of getting it wrong is measured in lost revenue and lost customers. Now imagine every change you ship is automatically tested. Not just the happy path, but the real journeys your customers take. Login, search, add to basket, apply a voucher, checkout. Tested thoroughly, every time, without your team writing a single test script. That's Helix. At the heart of Helix is the planner. You give it a user story, something as simple as a shopper, I want to search for products by keyword. Helix takes that story and acts it out on your live site in real time. It opens the browser, navigates to your storefront, explores the UI, and builds a complete, repeatable test plan, all from a single sentence. Watch. Here it is, running against Ocado. Helix lands on the homepage, finds the search bar, enters a keyword, and verifies the results. No scripting, no configuration, just the story. Now here's the same story, word for word, running against Morrison's. Different site, different layout, different tech stack, same result. Helix adapts automatically. Once the planner has mapped the journey, the test writer takes over. It reads every step, every click, every field entry, every assertion, and turns it into real, executable test code. Not a template, not a rough outline. Code that reflects exactly what the planner saw on your storefront. Then the tester runs it. And this is the key. At this point, there's no AI in the loop. This is a concrete, deterministic test script. Your checkout flow, your voucher redemption, your account login, tested the same way, producing the same result every single time. So what happens when something changes? You roll out a new basket layout, or your payment provider updates their integration. A test fails. But Helix doesn't just raise a flag and leave you to figure it out. It goes back to the original story, reruns the planner against your live site, and checks whether the real customer journey still works. If it does, if shoppers can still check out, still apply that discount code, Helix rewrites the test to match and runs it again. A genuine failure gets reported. A stale test gets fixed automatically. No false alarms. No weekend war rooms over a test that just needed updating. And underpinning all of this is the user story. The better the story, the better everything downstream. So Helix includes the evaluator. It rates every story you write, tells you whether it's clear and testable, and gives you practical suggestions to sharpen it. And it keeps a full history, so you can see how your stories have improved over time. From vague requirements to precise, testable journeys that map directly to what your customers do on your site. Your customers don't wait. Every release, every promotion, every seasonal push, they expect it to work. First time, every time. Helix gives you the confidence to ship fast without shipping broken. From story to test to execution, fully automated, self-healing, and built around the journeys that matter most, the ones your customers are taking right now. Stop losing revenue to bugs you could have caught. Start with Helix.